Here's my friend, good student, good personality, unbelievable. But who's the fastest chef?
Man in the pan.
Okay, big shot of man in the pan. Come on, give me the pan. That's the one. Hey, guess what, man? I got two of the most beautiful girls from Hawaiian Airlines. But who's the fastest chef?
Man in the pan.
Big shot of man in the pan. Oh, so I get two of the most beautiful ladies in the world. But who's the fastest chef?
Man in the pan.
Big shakara man in the pan. Come on, shakara. Welcome to the Man and the Pan. Today I'm going to do something really exciting, but super easy. Put the pan here, okay? Put in some olive oil, okay, in the pan. I love olive oil, okay? Put on the stove at medium heat. Okay, now this is what it's all about. I'm going to make some poke wonton with something as real special ingredients that I just got. I got this Grillo Pico di Gallo. Here you go. I'm going to use this whipped cream cheese, right? Got to be whipped now, okay? Put it inside the container. It's about a third to a half cup, right there. You know, Grillos, we sell it now at KTA. #1 pickle. Everybody loves Grillos. And now they're making this Pico di Gallo. And this Pico di Gallo, I got the real hot one, okay? So inside over here, about 4 tablespoons. Mix it all up, right in here. Oh boy, there you go, look at that. Okay, and in here, I add in about a little over ounce or ounce and a half of nice, beautiful ahi, right? And I cut it in really small chunks. Mix it all up, okay, look at that, okay? In here, I add in a little Hawaiian salt and I add in a little bit of sesame oil. Okay, right over here, okay? Now this is the base of everything. You see it right here? Okay? So now I get some wonton pea, okay? You got this wonton pea. Wet the side. Put some in. Fold it over. Put it down. Wet the sides, put some filling in, fold it over. Sure the oil is hot enough, okay? Grab this thing, fry it. Man, you know, this is really great for parties because it's kind of like impressive. Okay, I think it's just about done. You know, oh, perfect. Okay, there you go. Poke wonton with Grillo's Pico di Gallo. The burger look good, but let's see how it tastes. Here you go. Oh, it's so hot, but it's so good. Umami flavor. Oh. Make this recipe. You're going to impress everyone. Oh, it's so good. Until next time, we'll see you on your Man in the Pan. Oh, really good. Aloha.